Hello everyone, I am Kalisa. In this video, we are gonna discuss about pressure gradient force. Anyways, don't forget to wear your mask. All of gas particles have mass, and are pulled towards the earth by gravity. The weight of the particles in a column of gas above each of us applies a force that we experience as atmospheric pressure, which is the simply weight of the column of the gas above a specific area. Air pressure is greatest at the ground, and decreases with altitude, both because of the column of air gets shorter with increasing altitude, and the density of the gas particles decrease with altitude, meaning there are less gas particles per unit volume at high altitude compared to ground level. As individual gas particles warm, they take up more space, causing the gas to be less dense. Water vapor also decreases the density of air, so increasing water vapor in atmosphere decreases atmospheric pressure. As air gets warmer and gains water vapor, atmospheric pressure decreases. Warm, wet air is less dense than cool, dry air, and atmospheric pressure decreases as gas in the atmosphere warms. As humidity increases, atmospheric pressure also increases as gas in the atmosphere cools and lose water vapor to precipitation. Uneven heating and varying amounts of water vapor results in regions of high and low pressure. These pressure differentials cause air to move along the ground from regions of high pressure to regions of lower pressure. We experience these air currents as wind. The force driving the currents caused by differences in pressure between two regions is called pressure gradient force. Air mass moved by pressure gradient force, transfer heat by convection as cooler gas move into regions contained warmer gas particles. This is similar to the smaller, more contained convection cycles present in a room heated from one side, where warm air rises from a heat source, moves across the ceiling, cooling as it goes. Once cooled, it sinks and the cool air returns along in the ground towards the heat source. Warm air is less dense and has a lower barometric pressure than the cold air at high latitudes. These differences in barometric pressure are what create the pressure gradient force in wind, as air constantly moves between areas of high and low pressure. If we are looking at weather map or synoptic chart, we see the isobars, which are lines joining places of equal pressure to help us determine what the pressure gradient force will be. If the isobars are further apart, it means that the PGF will be weaker and slower wind. While if the isobars are closer together, we say that the PGF is steeper and stronger wind. To summarize, again, PGF is the horizontal difference in pressure on the Earth's surface, moving from high pressure to low pressure region. The greater the difference in pressure, the stronger the PGF is and the stronger the wind will be. That's all, thanks for watching. Stay safe everyone.